How's it going, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the top 4 lenses for the Canon 1DX Mark II. This is actually the third video of its kind. I've also done the top 10 lenses for the Canon 80D and the top 5 lenses for the Canon 70 Mark II. So if you're interested in those cameras or any other APS-C size lenses in that range, definitely check out those videos as well. This video is going to be focused on full frame lenses specifically to be used with the 1DX Mark II. Now there's a ton of full frame lenses out there and they can get really expensive, but if you're going to be investing in a camera such as the 1DX Mark II or any other full frame camera, it's definitely important to get some really high quality glass. So this is the top 4, but I will be adding in other suggestions as well. If you want to find any of these, the link to all of these is all on one page down below. Starting off with number 4 is the 50-1.4. There's something just magical about a 50 on a full frame camera, and that 1.4 is just so beautiful. Now Canon also makes a 1.2, which I've talked about in the past. The 1.2 is really expensive though, so if you have that kind of money, definitely take a look at the 1.2, but I'm really happy with the 1.4. Coming in at number 3 is the Canon 17-40. Now this is a relatively low-cost L lens, and the L lens is the Canon Professional series of lenses. You can tell because of this red ring on the end of the lens there, and it is their highest quality of lenses. Even though this has a maximum aperture of f4, it's still a super sharp lens for getting any kind of wide angle shot. Piggybacking off of that, Canon also makes a 16-35 f2.8 image stabilized. That one is significantly more expensive, but if you want that extra depth of field and have image stabilization, that is definitely one of the most highly regarded full-frame wide lenses. Coming in at number 2 is the Sigma 24-70. Now this guy is a 2.8 and image stabilized. Canon does make a similar version of this, but it is significantly more expensive. I did a full review of this lens. You can check it out in the link below. Since we're talking about Sigma, I've got the 18-35 1.8 right here, and I got this before, and this works great on any APS-C size cameras, but if you're trying to use this on a full frame like this, you're going to see a massive vignetting on the outside, and it just does not work whatsoever, which was a little disappointing to see because this is a really spectacular lens. Finally, my number 1 choice to be paired with the 1DX Mark II is the Canon 70-200. This is just a powerhouse of a lens, and it's a great combo with such an impressive camera. The amount that you can capture with this setup is just incredible. I'm going to be doing a full review for the 1DX Mark II in the very near future, so make sure to stay tuned for that. This guy is such an amazing camera. I started out with the 80D and then moved on to the 70 Mark II, both fantastic cameras. Still using them, using the 80D right now. There's something about Canon cameras that's just superior to almost any other camera brand out there. Maybe I'm just a little biased, but I'm not being sponsored to say any of this. That's it for this video. If I missed any of your favorite lenses, make sure to leave a comment down below on what your favorite one is, or if you have any camera questions on the 1DX Mark II or the 80D or the 70 Mark II or anything, I'd be glad to answer that, or it may even turn into a video such as this one. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it pro.